What job can make you a millionaire in no time? Many people are currently in the global workforce sitting in office jobs from 9 to 5, filling out paperwork in desks, or maybe working outside in something that doesn't require them to sit around. But the truth that encompasses all of these people is that they are working and probably wishing that they weren't. The facts stand that most people around the world want to become millionaires, perhaps because they want to stop working, or because they simply want more money for more financial security. This is why we've decided to create this list of the 8 jobs that can make you a millionaire. While truthfully anybody can become a millionaire by working or other means, these jobs will help you turn that dream into a reality much faster. Stay until the end to find out which one is the most profitable job ever. Welcome to 9-Figure Life, your place for daily motivation and inspiration. If you want to be part of our giveaway, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and comment the hidden message. First of all, let's just clear up that to get $1 million, it's much easier to save and invest than earn a lot. While earning is important, there's no use to earning, let's say, $100,000 a year if you end up spending double than that and also being in debt. 8th place, physician. So, in the 8th place of our list, we have the physician or surgeon. Doctors make a lot of money. With a median base salary of over $193,000, physicians are the United States' highest earners. Just for clarification, physicians and surgeons diagnose and treat injuries or illnesses. They work at physicians' offices, hospitals, or even in research. Of course, commanding such a high salary does mean that a physician requires hard education and training. A physician typically needs a bachelor's degree, a degree from a medical school, which takes 4 years to complete, and, depending on their specialty, 3 to 7 years in internship and residency programs. However, just as it pays off, it's also one of the costliest careers in the world, especially in the US, and that's excluding having to pay back student loans, which makes getting $1 million much harder. 7th place, investment bankers. Next up on our list, we have investment bankers. An investment banker job description can include a wide range of duties. Investment bankers help their clients raise money in capital markets by issuing debt or selling equity in the companies. Other job duties include assisting clients with mergers and acquisitions and advising them on unique investment opportunities such as derivatives. This is one of the few careers in which a 22-year-old with nothing but a bachelor's degree can earn well into the 6 figures in his first year out of school. Moreover, investment banking often serves as a springboard to even more lucrative and prestigious careers, such as venture capital, private equity, and wealth management. However, no job is without its negative aspects. And banking has the problem of having a crazy work schedule, with some working around 80 to 120 hours a week. The reason for this is because a big part of their wages come from their bonus compensations. Some managing director bankers earn a compensation of up to $20 million a year. So this one's definitely a good one if you want to become a millionaire. 6th place, engineering manager. Coming in the 6th place, we have the engineering manager. Listed average salaries for this job range from $113,000 to $140,000. And yes, this is another job that requires a lot of studying, a lot of math crunching, and a lot of effort to boot. What does an engineering manager do, you ask? An engineering manager is responsible for ensuring that key projects and engineering duties are fulfilled. They are responsible for solving any engineering issue that comes up in a project. A few of the main duties of an engineering manager are answering technical questions, proposing budgets for projects, training new employees, and working with various other departments. They also have to prepare reports on the progress of any project. Some of the job titles that an engineering manager could grow into are the Director of Engineering and Chief Technology Officer, which will offer him the high end of the salary scale. 5th place, software architect. Coming in the 5th place on our list, we have the software developer and also his better sounding cousin, the software architect. Software architects design and develop software systems and applications. They may create software tailored to clients' specific needs or create products geared for customers, such as games or desktop applications. They act as high-level decision makers in the process, determining everything from design choices to technical standards, such as platforms and coding standards. Software architects tend to oversee and work closely with other members of a development team, such as programmers. They are usually the leader of software development projects, but often report to upper management. Software architects must be able to evaluate and identify software solutions. Their jobs often begin by working with a client to discuss what they need their custom software to do, or looking at poor behaving software and finding ways to improve it. If creating consumer products, they may look at similar existing products and find ways to better them or revolutionize them. So, that's where their name comes from. They work as architects or builders, but instead of buildings, they construct technology. How does that sound? And the pay is really good, with annual salaries reported at $162,000. Fourth place, Product Management Director. In the fourth place on our list, we have the Product Management Director, which might sound like a very complicated job, except for the fact that it's not such a complicated job. A product management director supervises the development of products for a company, ranging from websites, software, physical products, and more. Their average salaries can range from $85,496 to $158,558. Now that we have arrived in our top 3, get ready to find out which 3 are the highest paying jobs that can make you a millionaire in no time. Stay until the end to find out which job is the best for becoming a millionaire, with a salary of over $800,000 a year. Third place, Actuaries. In the third place on our list, we have the actuary. Another job in the financial field. Instead of working with investments, actuaries manage risk by employing data to help businesses protect themselves from financial loss. Actuaries also require quite a handful of skills to be successful in their fields. Actuaries analyze the financial costs of risk and uncertainty. They use mathematics, statistics, and financial theory to assess the risk that an event will occur and help businesses and clients develop policies that minimize the cost of that risk. Actuaries' work is essential to the insurance industry. Experienced actuaries can earn from $150,000 to $250,000 a year. Second place, corporate lawyers. In the second place on our list, we have corporate lawyers. While law is a field with many diverse salaries depending on their specialization, corporate ones are the ones that do best. Many corporate lawyers work in law firms, particularly large or mid-sized firms, where they counsel clients and handle business transactions, including negotiation, drafting, and review of contracts and other agreements associated with the activities of the business. Salaries for corporate lawyers start at $51,428 and end at $208,541. However, there's a job that outdoes this one and all of them, which is the best one for becoming a millionaire fast. You want to find out which one it is? Then let's head to the first place. First place, management consultant. Finally coming in the first place of our list, we have the management consultant. Management consultants help businesses improve their performance and grow by solving problems and finding new and better ways of doing things. It's not just in the private sector either. Many firms work with public sector organizations to help develop their services and, where necessary, reduce costs and make savings. Consultancy firms offer services across all areas of business, from HR and marketing to IT and finance. The broad span of consulting work makes it an attractive career, offering a variety of projects, challenges, and opportunities for personal development. This might involve working all over the world with multinational clients. Consultant salaries begin at $100,000, which is actually quite a lot for a median starting salary, and can rise up to $800,000 a year. So, did you imagine that these 8 jobs could turn you into a millionaire faster than others? Let us know in the comments. Which one would you like to work in the future? Thank you for staying with us. Don't forget to leave us a like, share this video with your friends, and also subscribe to our channel to receive more engaging business content like today's video. And if you want to be a part of our giveaway, remember to comment the hidden message. The winners are announced on our Instagram page. Hey, if you enjoyed our video, you just have to watch this one.